Okay, so that is it. Now, this is a one-pot soup. I didn't give it a name, but so you have squash, you have sweet potato, corn, spinach, chicken, carrots. I said corn. What else? I put some ginger inside here. And I put that Thai noodle inside there. And I seasoned with the Jamaican pumpkin flavor package. And onions and some garlic. So actually, yeah, that's actually my soup. You can be able to create this type of soup. You don't have to put the dasheen or the radish inside here, but if you want, you can. All right, so what do I call this? Okay, just a one-pot soup. All right, that's it. You can subscribe at my website. Oh, it's good home healthy cooking food, or healthy food cooking. All right, so I'm just trying to be able to eat healthy. Okay, that's it. And you can also check out my other website, sharing inspirational poetry. I am a poet. I write poems. I just have a book on Amazon. It's called Sharon's Poetry. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.